Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for Virgo, Sun, Mars, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Okay, ano tayo, career and love. This is for the month of May, going to June 2024. Okay? So, take only what resonates. Kung hindi ka nakaka-relate, try mo mag-check ng ibang videos. Meron tayong special channel for Virgo. Kindly check it out, Virgo Philippines. And please do subscribe na lang din doon. Simulan natin sa career, followed by love. This is for May going to June 2024. Career for Virgo, summarizing Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. Okay, thank you Spirit Guides, Angel Guides. Let's start. Career for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising. Especially dun sa Sun, Moon, Rising, and Jupiter. Yan. You might want to check your natal chart. Death card is here. Page of Cups. Three of Cups. Wheel of Fortune. You do over the Five of Swords. Okay. Clarify ko itong Wheel of Fortune. I will be using this card para sa pang-clarify. One last shuffle. Okay. What's with the Wheel of Fortune? Nine of Wands. What's with the Nine of Wands? Page of Blades. Okay. Nakita tayo dito ng the Death card is about ending. And with the Page of Cups, nakikita natin na parang may mga ending, but it's like kasi dapat nang tapusin talaga, you know, pagdating sa career adjustment. Yung iba sa inyo with the Wheel of Fortune, this could be an adjustment or malaking pagbabago. I feel like it has something to do with the Three of Cups. So, pwedeng ito ay mga friends or, for example, yung iba sa inyo, if you do own a business, Queen of Coins, this is a businessman, businesswoman energy, especially with the Queen of Coins and the King of Wands. May mga dapat kang simulan. And itong bagay na ito is hindi mo masimulan or hindi mo ma-communicate ng maayos or hindi mo mabanggit or masabi because pwedeng nandito pa itong Three of Cups na ito. Three of Cups is showing to me as friends or could be katrabaho or empleyado na tinuring mo ng pamilya. So, might be naging open ka masyado sa kanila eh. Okay? And then, ang tendency, yung mga sariling nasa isip mo na, or mga gusto mong mangyari talaga, hindi mo ma-deliver or masabi ng maayos kasi mas nangingibabaw na yung respeto or yung pagkilala mo sa kung ano man yung decision nila. Well, you do have your own decision, you do have your own especially if this is your business, especially if you are the one na nagmamanage, you are the one na dapat masunod. But ang tendency, it's not happening. So, dahil dito sa presensya ng Three of Cups na ito. So, may malaking pagbabago dito. And I can see the Nine of Wands, kasi nagkakaroon na ng problema or what. So, with the Page of Blades, nakikita natin yung kailangan na talagang i-cut off. Game over is here. Eight of Wands, yan. Dito sa mga tinuring mong pamilya or katrabaho, empleyado na parang with the Seven of Pentacles, the Seven of Pentacles is a very stagnant card. This is walang kagalaw-galaw na card. And pwedeng sa halip na mas mapabilis yung isang project or sa halip na ikaw ay kumita or matapos ang isang bagay, hindi nangyayari dahil dito sa presensya nitong mga taong ito. So, yeah. This is the time na maaaring magkaroon ng malaking pagbabago dito. It's either malaking pagbabago or with the death card, maybe a total ending. You know, yung death card kasi is not always bad. Kasi lalo na kung kailangan na talaga siya. Kailangan na baguhin or magkaroon ng pagbabago. So, hindi siya laging mapangit or pangit. Of course, pag may death card, may new beginnings din. Okay? And hindi mangyayari yung new beginning kung hindi nagkakaroon ng ending. Okay, let's now move on to your love reading. Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. For the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. And kasi yung iba doon sa career, na either nahihiya or nire-respeto mo yung taong yun, ganyan. So anyway, love na tayo. Move on tayo. Punta tayo sa love. This is for the month of May going to June 2024. Love. Ano naghihintay para sa mga Virgo when it comes to their love? King of Wands is here. 8 of Pentacles. 3 of Pentacles. The Emperor. Ace of Cups. 6 of Pentacles. Nakakita tayo dito ng like a person na parang hindi ka nai-impress sa mga ginagawa niya. Like, you know, maybe nakikita mo lang na kailangan mo tong taong ito. And with the 3 of Pentacles, I can see na mas focus ka sa growth pagdating sa pera. And also, you want a person na na parang mature or someone na kaya niyang i-take care yung sarili niya. And hindi yung parang, you know, ikaw pa yung magbubuhay or what sa kanya. You know, you are nawawalan ng gana or hindi ka interesado sa mga taong ganon. And sabihin na natin, oo, medyo bumababa yung tingin mo sa mga tao pagka ganon. Na parang you are the King of Wands. You can do a lot of things. No? Hindi man physically, pero yung mentality mo, yung pag-iisip mo, yung utak mo magaling. And you want someone na maybe magmamatch doon. Okay? With the Emperor, I do feel like you will be taking care of yourself in the near future. Kumbaga more on self-love ito. Self-love. Sa health, maganda rin yung sinasabi, you will be taking care of your health. And the Ace of Cups, I can see new love here. Or maybe love na nabubuo dito sa 6 of Pentacles. Pag may 6 of Pentacles, definitely mag-grow din yung love mo sa isang tao. And either there's a person with the Knight of Wands energy na pwedeng itong taong to kaya kanyang tulungan, kaya kanyang i-balance, kaya niyang The Six of Pentacles is a very balanced card yan. Very balanced number. So, like 3 plus 3, 'di ba? Is equals to 6. And then yung number 3 is yun yung nagbabalance. And then you have your 3 of Pentacles. So ang gusto mo kasi is yung may growth sa money, yung continuous on growing, And pag may taong magmamatch sa kind ng mentality mo na ganyan, kung may taong kayang maging katulad mo mag-isip, na growth, growth, growth lang ang gusto. There's this love or new beginning with regards to love na maaaring mangyari sa inyo. And I can see a person na paparating na pwedeng siya yung mag-balance sa'yo or siya yung pwedeng dumating para magkaroon ng growth with you. And tell me about this person na paparating. The 8 of Wands is here. Yeah, I really do like this energy. 3 of Blades. Oh, why is the 3 of Blades here? I don't know, 6 of Coins. So, yung 6 of Coins, pareho lang din yan ng 6 of Pentacles. They are the same card, pero magkaiba lang yung Pentacles is Coins, diba? So, 6 of Blades is here. So, ayan, a lot of number 6 and 8. Ayan, so, yung number 8, ilang beses na nagpapakita sa atin. 8, 8, and there's 8 of Swords here at the bottom of the deck. So, that could be an angel number for you. 888, and yung 666. Yan, the angel numbers for you. Ngayon, ang nakikita natin dyan is there's a person na pwedeng dumating to balance nga yung ikaw or ibigay yung mga bagay na gusto mo, and more on material things ito. Ito yung makakapagpagusto sa'yo dito sa taong to. Ito yung person na gugustuhin mo. So, kung ano yung nasa harapan mo ngayon na hindi kayang i-match yung energy mo na ganyan, and definitely you are not interested sa kanila. And the 3 of Blades is here. I don't know, some of you, hindi lahat, but there's a third party situation here. Clarify this 3 of Blades. Ace of Blades and 3 of Cups. I can see a person na parang from lovers, pwedeng dumating siya sa sa point na maging magkaibigan na lang. Kasi so if you're in a relationship with someone, tapos hindi niya ka talaga kayang i-match yung or i-balance yung energy mo, hindi talaga kayo magtutugma. So I can see possible separation, and hindi naman siya separation na talagang wala na talaga, but I can see definitely may friendship pa rin, may pag-uusap pa rin. Yun nga, kasi hindi talaga match eh. Parang mas okay na lang siguro na magkaibigan na lang kayo. Okay, so that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all, and bye-bye.